Okay, question number 4. Two forces each of 10 Newton act at a point P as shown. Okay, the angle between the directions of the forces is 120. This is the angle 120 degrees. What is the magnitude of the resultant force? What is the magnitude of the resultant force? So if I want to know, what I do is I'll resolve this 10 Newton force into two parts. Okay, I'll resolve this into two parts. This 10 Newton, I can resolve it like this, and I can resolve it like this over here. So 10 Newton, if this is 90, this angle should be 30. So this force should be 10 cos 30, and this force should be 10 sin 30. What's the value of 10 cos 30? This should be 10 multiplied by root 3 by 2, which should be equal to 5 root 3. And what is this value? This value should be equal to 10 sin 30, which is equal to 5 Newton. So I have 5 Newton here, 5 root 3 here. Now how do you calculate the resultant force? So I take the sum of these two. Now along the x-axis, see this side along this x-axis, it should be 10 here, this should be 5 over here. So resultant would be along this one, it should be equal to 5 Newton. This is plus 10, this is minus 5 Newton over here. And along the y-axis, what is that I have? I have only 5 root 3 over here. 5 root 3 over here. Now what is that I have now? I have two forces, one acting in this direction, other acting in this direction. The resultant should be like this over here. So what is the resultant? Use Pythagoras theorem, because it's a right angle triangle. So I will now write 5 square plus 5 root 3 the whole square is equal to resultant square. When I do this, what do I get? This is 5 square is 25. 5 root 3 is 25 into 3 is equal to r square. This will be 25 plus 75 is equal to r square. 25 plus 75 is 100 is equal to r square, or r should be equal to 10. So the answer should be B.